Just a quick update on the projects going on at Rip's Garage. I'm nearly finished the welding on the Gemini, so I'm about ready to put the interior all back in once I've done that. And then I'll pop the dash back in and I should be able to drive it, get it moving. You'll see some of those videos coming out soon. The motorbike, I've got the front end all rebuilt. That's all new parts, nice and shiny. Everything from about here forwards is brand new or rebuilt. So I'll start releasing videos on the motorbike project soon because that's coming along. But this is what I think most people want to look at. Now, this is a spare motor I picked up for the Hilux. It's another 3L motor, Toyota Diesel 2.8. And at the moment it's actually locked, doesn't spin over. But I'm going to pull that apart, figure out if it's worth rebuilding, and that will be a project coming up soon, the rebuilding of the 2.8 for the Ute. And if that works out well, then I'll bring the Ute down one of these weekends and swap this motor in for the other one, and we might even rebuild that other one. So stay tuned for that.